If you've heard people talking about the Google Ghost Tracker, don't worry, it's not actually tracking ghosts. The name is simply a nickname that many people use online to describe Google's location tracking and activity history. And if you care about your privacy, there are a few settings you should check right now. So in this video, I'll show you what people mean by the Google Ghost Tracker, how to turn it off, and how to better protect your personal data in 2026. Let's get started. First, what is the Google Ghost Tracker? There isn't an official Google feature with that name. Instead, people use the term to describe Google's ability to collect information like your location history, web activity, YouTube history, voice activity, and other account data. These features help personalize your experience, but not everyone wants them turned on. Number one, turn off location history. Open the Google app or visit your Google account, go to Data and Privacy, then Timeline or Location History. If it's enabled, you can turn it off. This prevents Google from saving a history of places you've visited while using supported Google services. Number two, pause web and app activity. Still inside Data and Privacy, look for web and app activity. This setting stores searches, Google Assistant activity, Chrome activity, and information from other Google services. If you don't want this information saved, simply pause the feature. Number three, delete existing activity. Turning tracking off doesn't automatically remove older data. To erase it, go to My Activity inside your Google account. From there, you can delete activity from today, the last hour, or your entire history. You can also set Google to automatically delete older activity after a certain period. Number four, review app permissions. If you're using Android, open Settings, Privacy Permission Manager, review which apps have access to your location, camera, microphone, contacts, and files. Removing unnecessary permissions gives you much more control over your privacy. Number five, disable personalized ads. Inside your Google account, go to Data and Privacy, then Ad Settings. You can turn off ad personalization. This won't remove advertisements completely, but it reduces how much Google uses your activity to personalize the ads you see. Now, let's be honest, Google provides many useful services, and many of these tracking features exist to improve recommendations, navigation, and search results. But that doesn't mean you have to leave everything enabled. The good news is that Google gives you control over almost all of these settings. You simply need to know where to find them. Taking just a few minutes to review your privacy options can make a big difference in how much information is stored on your account. So to summarize, if you want to turn off what many people call the Google Ghost Tracker, review these settings: location history, web, and app activity, My Activity app, permissions, and ad personalization. Because honestly, protecting your privacy doesn't require deleting your Google account. It simply means choosing which information you want to share.